got 2 surprise bags from Facebook Marketplace. Let's see what's inside of that. This is not a drill. Lock in, chat. Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a surprise bag opening. Okay, I've done surprise bags opening before, but I found on Facebook Marketplace surprise bags. I was like, what category is this? Like, what do you mean surprise bags? Like, what is in them? This is the ad right here. I'm obviously gonna not show their information or anything like that, but they're $10. They were $25, but see, I don't know if they were $25 and he reduced it to $10, because on the bags, I'm confused here. I'm just confused about this whole thing, but I am very excited about this. So it says over $25 value, sale $10. So I don't know if that was just like, it was $25, but you get it for $10. So I was like, I'm getting 2 of these. Okay, so the title is $10 surprise bags for parties, etc. $10 for $25 worth of product. Pick up, and then obviously I'm not gonna say where. And then the description says surprise bags for parties, etc. $10 for $25 worth of product. Lots available. So, oh, and I'm wearing a wig, by the way. And it's so cute. I got this from Shein, and it is real human hair, and I think it's blended with synthetic hair.
But anyways, it's tea.
So I am going to go pick them up right now. Let's go.
I don't know what I'm like. This is like,
I'm just going there and giving someone $20, and then I have no idea what I'm getting in return. I do not know. So I thought this was a fun video. Let's go and see what's in these surprise bags. ... Okay, I'm here. Let's go get it. I'm not gonna record them. You guys will hear me. $20. Let's go get 2 of them. They're really nice now. Ooh. Hello, I'm here for the surprise bags. Here's 20. Awesome. Oh my god, I'm so excited. They're huge.
We need more, but 3 more left.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. They're huge. I am so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see these. They're huge, and that nice man said if you want more, he's got 3 more for me. So we will see what we get. They're quite big. Okay, guys, back at home, I realized that I did not put on eyebrows. The whole time I was out, I was taking selfies and everything like that. I was doing my thing, and I look in the mirror and I was just so excited about my hair. I'm like, I have no eyebrows on. So I came home and just put a little bit of eyebrows on, so.
cute.
It was an old man and he was so sweet. I don't even know what I was expecting. I was expecting maybe like a young mom wanted to get rid of maybe like party supplies, like birthday party supplies. Maybe she had multiple kids, or like a daycare worker or something like that, you know what I mean? And just had all these party supplies, so just put them into surprise bags. So he opened the door and it was just this old sweet man, and he was like, in Home Depot bags.
Like Home Depot bags?
And they're huge. The picture, I was like, that's not what's in the, I didn't say this to him, obviously. I'm not gonna be like, it's not what advertised, girl, it's $10. Like, you know that what the drill is. Like, it's $10 surprise bags, $25 worth of stuff. Now, this is him evaluating this stuff. This is not Storage Wars, where it's like somebody finds something and they're like, oh, this is $3,000, boom. And I'm like, that is, or they're like, this is $300, boom, and they throw off to the side. I'm like, that is not $300. Like, what? And it was in a rich area. So I'm now thinking this old man has like bricks of gold and just wants to like surprise people that are fun and want surprise bags. And maybe like he's a millionaire and just has like keys to a brand new Lambo in here. Or something like that. I'm gonna tilt this down for you guys. I do not know what we're about to. So they are different. Are they? I don't know. But he was really like excited. He was very happy that I was there. I don't know. It was almost just fun for him. Like, I like surprise bags. You clicked this because you like surprise bags. So I was just, my curiosity could not. The 2 bags, I thought they were gonna be like the small bags. But behind the picture, you can see all of the Home Depot bags. So he sold quite a bit of them. Let's just get into this. They're stapled here. I get to look first. Or do you guys get to look? I get to look first. Oh my god. Okay, maybe there's a staple remover in here. Oh my god, these are full. What is going on? Wait, what is going on? This is like a seasonal everything in here. Like, I'm seeing Christmas, I see SpongeBob, I see a clipboard. Let's get into it and just pull out and see what I love this right now. If I don't use all these things. I'm just gonna donate it. Everything is in there nice and sound. So let's see what I got for $10 in this first bag. There's a clipboard here, which has a dollar store price of $3. It is, yeah, you know what? I do use clipboards when I, you know, do taxes and stuff like that. Okay, so that's good. Okay, trick or treat. Maybe somebody's birthday's on Halloween, or maybe I'm gonna gift somebody. This is a gift bag, but it's Halloween. Okay. Oh, okay. Another one. We got a spooky, scary. Me looking for the Lambo keys. Okay, here's the SpongeBob thing. Sale price $2. So I'm kind of thinking like maybe he owns like a dollar store, and maybe this is just the stuff that didn't sell. You know what I mean? Maybe. So this is a SpongeBob plastic table cover. You know, that's literally me right now. There are possibilities for this, okay? These are what's intriguing me. Christmas cards in here. It's a little red truck hauling a Christmas tree. So they all have this on them. It's a pretty generic sale price. So I don't know, maybe if he owned a store or he bought a bunch of clearance items. I don't know what's happening here, but somebody sound off in the comments down below what you think. Christmas cards. I will definitely use these. I send out Christmas cards, so I don't have to buy some for this year. What is this?
A pin.
He literally put in here something for every season. So Easter just passed. This is $1, an Easter pin. I will not have use for this, so I will put it in a donation bag. What? 5 gift tags for $1. Okay, girl. I mean, no false advertising here. He did say party supplies. So they say Noel and peace on them. I can always use gift tags. That's that. We have, these are papyrus. I don't even know how to say that. These are sale for $6, so woo. Oh, they're cute little cards. Oh my goodness. So whenever I send out giveaway winner stuff, I always write you guys a thank you card with them. Oh my god, there's this kind too. So I'm actually running low on thank you cards. So this is a good thing for me. And then there's this kind, and then a bunch of orange envelopes, and those are stickers. These are the brand I do use, so I will have put these to good use when I do giveaways and stuff like that. 2 things left. Oh my god. Bridal shower invites. So if one of my friends becomes pregnant, girl, I got you. You guys, I am cringing so hard right now watching this back and editing it because for some reason I equated a bridal shower to a baby shower. I have no idea why, because I literally say bridal shower. And then I say like, oh, if one of my friends gets pregnant in the future. This makes no sense watching it back. So I am so sorry. Huge brain fart. I don't know what the heck my brain was doing. Just ignore me. We got bridal shower invites. Or I might, you know what, donate these to a women's shelter, because I do have a bag for a women's shelter to donate, because I'm not gonna host a bridal shower. No one wants me to host a bridal shower. It'll literally be Bad Girls Club inspired. Oh, there's more thank you cards, which I will get to these eventually. These are whale ones, blank inside. And that's the last thing also in here. Okay, is that worth $10? You know, yeah, because these papyrus ones, yeah, are originally $9.95. Oh my god, this is just, oh, there we go. So I feel like it's worth it just for the thank you cards and the Christmas cards. I think this, yeah. I'd maybe say $5. Like, the excitement alone was worth $10. It's priceless. These are way cuter. So these say whale thanks.
What is that? Like whale thanks?
Maybe it's like, well, thanks. Well, thanks. Whale thanks. Anyways, they're blank inside. They all say whale thanks. Yes, they all say whale thanks. It's probably why they're on discount, unless I'm the dumb one. There's stickers on there to seal the envelopes. Oh, I love that. They have like little florals there. Cute. I have a feeling I already know what's gonna be in the next bag, but let's see. I will say it's safe to say that I will not be back to get the other 3 gift bags, but for $20 for some fun. I mean, it is a surprise bag. You never know what you're gonna get. Got me thinking he was a millionaire. Maybe this one. This one has a winning lottery ticket in it. Oh, okay. It's the same vibe, but we've got different color scheme going on. This one's looking more Christmassy, which is my favorite holiday. So we've got, okay. This is a mini flannel back tablecloth. Back tablecloth.
What does a back tablecloth mean?
On your back? Miss Superman. This was $5. I'm gonna give this to my mom because she always uses like a reusable tablecloth for Christmases. That's that. We've got another SpongeBob, the same one. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, donations are coming. A happy Halloween bag. 2 ghosts and some pumpkins. You know what? This is actually a good way to get rid of your stuff if you want a little bit of extra cash. That's very smart, I will say that. We have 2 cards. Okay, please be useful. To my dad with love. I will be using this on Father's Day. Well, wait, let's see what it says. For encouraging my dreams true. Help. The flowers are velvet, but I will still use it for my dad. But I don't like velvet, if you didn't know. To my dad with love. For encouraging my dreams, helping me through my mistakes, and always giving me enough room to be my own person. Thanks, Dad. Have a happy birthday. Oh, it's a birthday card. His birthday is coming up. Well, it's in September, but when I post this video, it's probably gonna be September because you guys know how I post videos. I really like this card. Let's see what it says on the inside. It's just blank. Perfect. This is so good. Like if I need a birthday card and I don't have one, or if it's like, oh right, it's your birthday, I actually do have something for you. I always have like gift cards on standby, so plop that in there and be like, yeah, your birthday present's right here. More Christmas cards. So it says in these, a season that's festive, a new year that's bright. Hope all of your days are filled with delight. I like these. Do the other Christmas cards say anything in them? Oh, they do. Hope Christmas brings you all your favorite things. Okay, so I love these both. Oh my god, I didn't realize there was a little like lassie dog driving. Isn't that illegal? Okay, so we got more Christmas cards. Okay, girl, it's enough slices. These have little stockings on them. Oh, there's another kind in there. Let's just get in here. This is me with adult money. Free will, and this is what I use it with. Oh no. Oh no, they're all the same. They're just flipped upside down. And they have envelopes with them. So, guys, if you want a Christmas card, just kidding. Oh no, we got another one of these pins. The Easter Bunny pins. Kind of whack, but you know what? That was so negative. Take my negative, throw it out the window. Because you know what? It's going to make someone else's day when I donate it. You know? Period. And we're not here expecting anything. Okay, so the very last thing are cards. They're blank inside and they're like little kitty cats, and they're all the same as you can see there, so I don't need to open them. They all have this sale price on them, maybe for like spring cleaning. I liked his energy. It was worth it for the fun of it for 20 bucks, right? So I'm happy. No bad things here. So my favorite thing, probably just the Christmas cards and the thank you cards. Cards in general, I feel like it's all cards at this point. Especially the smiley face or these blank ones, because then if I do miss somebody's birthday, I mean, I don't have to buy a birthday card for so long. Anyone watching this, you might just get that for your birthday. I don't know what to do with Halloween bags. I think that's where I could give out like those as like trick-or-treating bags to like the first 3 kids. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! Be happy today, spread cheer, and don't be negative. Don't be a negative Nancy. Have a surprise bag in your life. I'm your surprise bag. Literally open my video, you never know what you're gonna find. And it's free. Anyways, goodbye.